Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a long, luscious body wave unit that I'm going to be showing you all how to install. It is a 360 lace unit, so y'all already know you have the capability to put it up. There are two combs on the side, one in the middle and one at the bottom for added security. I also really like the color of the lace that it comes with. I feel like this one would be great for any skin tone, especially as a base, whether you're dark skin or lighter skin. The parting space is also really good. You get about 4 inches of parting space throughout. So from ear to ear, you get about 4 inches of parting space, and it doesn't seem that they've cut down the parting space on the sides either. So that's really good. So this is what the pre-plucked hairline looks like. It's a really, really good start. I only had to pluck minimally, but you really don't have to pluck at all unless you just desire to take the extra step. But they pretty much done a lot of the work for you. Now I am going to go in and actually do the Sally Hansen method, and you all let me know if you're interested in seeing another tinting method. This is used to conceal the knots and also tint the lace. Now I'm using it to tint the lace in this instance and also conceal the knots a little bit because it seems that the unit has only been lightly bleached, if bleached at all. So after going about this process, I just wiped away the excess using a makeup wipe, and this is what it looks like. I feel like the parting looks so much more natural now, and it blends much better with my skin tone. Let me know if you all also want to see a bleaching knot video. I'm thinking about doing that soon just to help those out who are interested. So the next step, I'm going to lay down the area on the sides, also the hairline, using mousse. Now, this is a new mousse that I'm trying. It's by Aussie, and I really like their deep conditioner, and I saw this, and I was like, ooh, I wonder how this would perform. So I spread that all over the hairline, and my goal is to actually get the hair to mold into the direction that I want it to go. So it's a really good idea whenever styling your units to use a foam styling mousse. This one does create a great deal of hold. It's the Instant Freeze by Aussie. Now what I did notice is that I did see some residue, and that could have been a function of actually using the leg spray prior. So I'm going to continue to play around with it and see if I like it more, but it did the job just for the time being. So after doing this, I'm quickly tweezing the hairline. I didn't do a whole lot to it because, again, they already had a really, really good start. Now I'm taking out some baby hair, and for this install, I am doing more baby hair than I typically do because I know there's some girls out there who really enjoy baby hair. This unit did come with baby hair, but they were rather long, so I'm just using an eyebrow razor in order to trim them down, and you can modify it however you desire. You can add thicker baby hair, thinner, you can do them shorter, but this is about the length that I like. I think I did go back and cut it a little bit more. And then after I do this, I'm just drying the area where I put the mousse, and this is going to really help to set that area in place. You can also put a scarf over before actually doing this, but I just dried it the way that it was. And you can decide to leave it as is or comb through it, and I just combed through it a bit. So now I'm adding mousse to the other side. I want the hair in the front to kind of flow backward a bit, but you can have it flowing straight down. It's really just up to you. And I'm using a comb to kind of guide the mousse and the hair in the direction I want it to go. After completing that process, I'm just going to briefly go in and tweeze the hairline in that area, and then I'm going to proceed to dry it. And then I'm going to trim the baby hair on that side, getting it down to the same length as the other. And then I'm going to begin to work on using my edge brush to actually mold the baby hair. As you all have probably noticed, I like to complete the process in segments. So I usually start on the right side, then I work my way to the middle, and then over to the left. Now we're working on the baby hair, and I'm just using my baby hair brush after applying the mousse, and I'm just using my finger to press down on the area at the top of the baby hair, and then I'm going to use my comb to sort of mold it into this little swirl, swivel type look that most baby hair has. And you can decide to do this while on your head or on a mannequin head. I'm doing it prior to the install, but sometimes it can be a bit tricky, especially because of my hairline, so sometimes the placement is off. But if you're someone who has a round, normal hairline, you're going to be good regardless. So now we're going to actually curl the hair. I wanted some really nice free-flowing curls, so I decided to use my curl wand in order to do this, and this one is by Remington. Now I also work in segments with this process as well. I found that with hair that's long, especially 26 inches that I can't get it all around the barrel. So what I typically do is wrap a portion of the hair around the curl wand first, and then after getting that portion and it heats up and everything, I release it and then I wrap the next portion, and I continue this process until I've gotten down the length of the hair, and it looks really, really beautiful. So I'm just gonna let you all watch this process, and then I'll come back on when it's time for the install.
Why so many tears? You've been there for me, I've been there for you. Look in the mirror and think this through. Something as perfect and pretty as you, I never could leave, you gotta believe. But you think my heart's not there, 'cause it's been a while. You keep telling me it's been a while. Let me tell you something. Yes, I know we've been together for so long. You think that I can't see? After these years, you're still pretty, pretty. Truth be told, we grow stronger. See, I need your love, so don't worry about me, 'cause I still think you're perfect, perfect. Pretty, 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 pretty. Every morning you're next to me. Why do you worry? Just go back to sleep. I know you love me, you know I love you. Oh, think of the moments of me and you. Our love is stronger.
Alright guys, so now it's time to install the unit. So I'm just going to place it on my head to make sure the placement and everything is where I desire it. And then I'm going to use an adhesive in order to secure it down.
Love is stronger for what we've been through. You're my family, that's always gonna be. But you cry when I'm not there. You're afraid of time. You keep saying you're afraid of time. Let me tell you something. Yes, I know we've been together for so long. You think that I can't see? After these years, you're still pretty, pretty. Truth be told, we grow stronger. See, I need your love, so don't worry about me, 'cause I still think you're perfect, perfect. Pretty, pretty, even in the morning, girl, you're pretty. Everything you do, girl, you're pretty. After 10 years, girl, you're pretty. 100 more too, girl, you're pretty, pretty. Even in the morning, girl, you're pretty. Everything you do, girl, you're pretty. After 10 years, girl, you're pretty. 100 more too, girl, you're pretty, pretty. Yes, I know we've been together for so long. You think that I can't see? After these years, you're still pretty, pretty. Truth be told, we grow stronger. See, I need your love, so don't worry about me. Don't worry, 'cause I still
So these are the finished results, guys. I love this unit. It's so, so beautiful, and I did not have to do a whole lot of work to it. Right now, I'm going to spray the Shine Infusion on the hair just to give it a bit more sheen and luster and make sure that it looks really, really flawless and juicy. The natural luster of the hair was really great, but I just wanted to spray this on the hair, and this is a really good option for your straighter textured units. The scent isn't my favorite, but it is really lightweight, and I love that about it. So I'm going to show you all my outfit and also how long this hair is. This is the longest hair that I've ever tried. 26 inches. I never thought I would try hair this long, but I really like it, guys. One of my followers recently asked me about hair that's 26 inches. So I said, let me try a unit that has hair this long. Many girls love it. Hair that's touching your bum. This hair looks really, really good, and it went very well with my outfit. Once again, this is what it looks like. On the sides, you kind of get a bit more of the curl and just how beautiful it looks. And now we're going to get into the outfit deets. So the top and also the skirt is from Shein, and I'll link those in the description box. My shoes are from Zara. This will be a really, really good back to school look, or just hanging out with your girls, or even a date night with bae. I got the top in a size medium and the skirt is in a size large. I was surprised it fit me, but I hope that you all love this hair install as well as the outfit. Be sure to leave your comments and feedback. Check the description box for the link to the hair and also the outfit deets, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys, love y'all.